Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Travelodge by Wyndham Fort Myers North. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free parking, free Wi-Fi and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. The Imaginarium Hands-On Museum and Aquarium in Fort Myers is 3 miles from this North Fort Myers motel. The hotel features an on-site restaurant and outdoor pool with sundeck. A microwave, fridge and coffee maker is standard in every room at Travelodge by Wyndham Fort Myers North. Cable TV, including HBO channels, and an in-room safe are also offered. This Fort Myers North Travelodge by Wyndham has laundry facilities on site. Free newspapers are available at the 24-hour front desk, and free Wi-Fi is offered throughout the property. Harborside Convention Center is 2.3 miles from this property. The Edison Ford Winter Estates are only a 5-minute drive away. The Travelodge by Wyndham Fort Myers North is within 40 minutes drive of Sanibel and Captiva Island. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.